Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use Garcinia Cambogia powder. Garcinia Cambogia is a popular supplement derived from a tropical fruit. It's often recognized for its potential role in supporting weight management. The key active compound, hydroxycitric acid, or HCA, is believed to contribute to its effects. Understanding its proper use can help you integrate it effectively into your routine. Let's dive into how to get started with this natural powder. When using Garcinia Cambogia powder, proper dosage is crucial. A typical recommendation is to take 500 milligrams to 1,000 milligrams 3 times a day. It's best to mix the powder thoroughly with at least 8 ounces of water, juice, or your favorite smoothie. Stir well until it's completely dissolved to ensure even distribution. Always follow the specific instructions on your product's label for the most accurate guidance. For optimal results, timing your Garcinia Cambogia intake is important. It's generally recommended to consume the powder 30 to 60 minutes before your main meals. This timing allows the active compounds to be absorbed and potentially begin working before you eat. Remember, consistency is vital. Taking it regularly as directed will help you assess its effectiveness over time. Integrate it smoothly into your daily schedule. While Garcinia Cambogia is generally well tolerated, some individuals might experience mild side effects. These can include digestive upset, such as nausea or diarrhea, or occasional headaches. It's always wise to consult with a healthcare professional before introducing any new supplement into your regimen, especially if you have existing health conditions or are taking other medications. For an amazing clean, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals in the description below. Your doctor can provide personalized advice and ensure it's safe for you.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.